can count to 5. But wait and see. Now let's count all the way to 10 with me. 1 little sun and 2 blue skies. 3 green hills where the butterfly flies. 4 red flowers and 5 bright bees. 6 little leaves on the tall oak trees. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count them all and count again. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Counting with Rexi, hooray again. 7 soft clouds go floating by. 8 little birds up in the sky. 9 ripe apples round and sweet. 10 happy friends, what a treat. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count